Welcome to UNLV Housing, where you can live like a rebel. In this tour, we will showcase the different amenities and important information about your future home. Let's tour a room inside our Tonopah complex. This room comes furnished with items for each roommate. Items will include a desk and chair, twin-size mattress, dresser, and an adjustable bed frame. Students are given an 11 feet by 20 feet living space designed for 2 individuals, along with an air conditioning unit, secured Wi-Fi and entry access, and plenty of space to store personal belongings to configure the room and furniture to their liking. There is also a shared bathroom sink, vanity mirror, and cabinets for storage. A closet space for each resident is equipped with an additional 3-drawer dresser and an area to hang their items, store footwear, and other belongings. The bathroom space provided connects 2 rooms together. Included in the bathroom are a shower and toilet area. For more information and contact, visit our website at unlv.edu/housing. We'll see you soon.